get home. It's your favorite song.
And welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these crochet face masks. They're really simple and easy. And if you would like to learn how to do them, just keep watching this video. For this tutorial, you're going to need a 3.5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and some needles to weave in the loose ends. I'm going to be using this leftover yarn. I don't know exactly which one it is, but I'm pretty sure it's from the Red Heart brand. What you're going to do is you're going to start off with a slip knot, and then you are going to chain up 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then what you're going to do is you're going to place a double crochet in the next chain from the hook. And then you're going to continue to double crochet down until you reach the end. Alright, and once you reach the end of the row, you should have 10 chains. Then what you're going to do, you're going to chain up 2, turn your work, and you're just going to double crochet in each chain until you reach the end. Alright, this is what it should look like so far. So once you reach the end of row 2, you're going to chain up 2, turn your work, and you're going to place a double crochet in the same chain right here at the end. And what you're going to do is you're just going to continue to double crochet on down until you get to the last stitch. In this last stitch, you're going to place 2 double crochets into the last chain. Alright, for row 4, you're going to chain up 2, and you're going to repeat what you just did in row 3. So place a double crochet in the same stitch as the chain 2, and then double crochet all the way down until you reach the last stitch. Alright, and in this last stitch you place 2 double crochets in this last stitch. And this is what it should look like so far. So you're going to repeat this row until you have a total of 10 altogether. Okay, so right here I have a total of 9 rows. I decided on row 10 I'm not going to increase, so you're just going to chain up 2 at the end and turn your work and just double crochet all the way down. Alright, so for row 11, you're just gonna do the same thing you just did for row 10. Alright, so now you should have a total of 11 rows. And once you start row 12, that's when you're going to begin to decrease. So you're going to chain 2, turn your work, and start to decrease. Gonna yarn over, put it through the next stitch, and you should have 3 loops on the hook. Gonna yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, put the hook through the next stitch. You should have 4 loops, and then you're gonna yarn over, pull through 2, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, I'm sorry. Then what you're going to do is you're going to just continue to double crochet down So when you are about to decrease at the other end, you should have 3 stitches left. You're going to decrease with these 2 stitches. So you're going to yarn over, put it through the stitch, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go through the next stitch. There should be 4 stitches on the hook, I'm sorry. Pull through 2, pull through 3, and then you're just going to place a double crochet in that last stitch at the end. And that's how you get row 12, and you are going to repeat this row, gonna show you it again. Chain up 2, decrease, Alright, after row 13, you're going to continue the same method for the next 5 rows. And once you finish those 5 rows, you should have 18 rows in total. And I'm gonna do those 5 rows and I'll be right back. Okay. Now you should have a total of 18 rows. And for these last 2 rows, you're not going to decrease, you're not going to increase, you're just going to chain up 2 and double crochet all the way down for both rows. Alright, so now you should have a total of 20 rows. This is basically it. If you want to add a border, I always add a border. So 20 rows, this is the mask. So what I'm going to do for my border, I'm going to chain 1 right here, and I'm just going to place 2 single crochets in each stitch. And then right when I get to the end here, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1. And once I get back to this end, that's when I'm going to start to do the loop that goes around the ear part, this part right here. I'm going to chain 1 and put 2 single crochets in every stitch. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to put 2 single crochets in every stitch until I get back to this side, to this end, and that's where I'm going to chain up 1 and then continue to do the single crochet. Okay, so I've put 2 single crochets in each stitch, and now I'm on to the side. What I'm going to do is chain 1, and for the sides you're just putting 1 single crochet. You're just putting 1 single crochet in each stitch until you get to the end. And when you get right here, you're going to chain 1. Then you go back to putting 2 single crochets until you get to the end of it. Now, what I'm going to do is add the straps. And I'm just going to chain up 20 to 25 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to do 23. And then all I'm going to do is slip stitch it to this end. And pull, and that's really how you get the stitch. You're gonna cut the yarn, you're gonna do another loop and pull through, and that's how you get the loop. All right, you guys, this is the finished product of the face mask. And for the ends, I just took one of these needles and, you know, weaved them through. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.